Contact us for special internet pricing. Keeler BMW is pleased to present this 2009 BMW 328xi with an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and 28,008 miles. This sedan has a Monaco blue metallic exterior, a beige interior with dark pearl walnut wood trim, and comes with some amazing features such as iPod and USB adapter, dynamic cruise control, power front seats, retractable headlight washers, automatic climate control, and the cold weather package. The cold weather package consists of heated front seats and fold-down rear seats. As with all of our vehicles, it is Carfax guaranteed. For more information, please call us at 800-474-4197. Keeler BMW looks forward to assisting you with your vehicle purchase.
Call us today to schedule a test drive. We're conveniently located on Route 7 in Latham, New York, just west of the Circle.